This is one of Gembox Medium inlets from white spunk, total 10 millimeters, and one side is gray color, one side is white color. Material or the fabric is something like fur. Meteorite, very good, stick to the surface and don't move, so it's very good to place. And the specimen spunk is very soft, so there is not much force when you push specimen inside into the spunk. Material is very soft and resistant to damage, so if I will push here, there will be no mark on the surface. I think this gray color is the best to present any specimen, any slice of meteorite, of mineral.